Alright, so here we go.
iPhone gang. You heard?
You've seen equations, you've taken them and solved them. We're talking inequalities, a different type of problem. Less than, greater than, sometimes equal to. Lots of little rules. Let's take a minute and review with variables. Less than, shaded to the left. Less to the left, yeah, less to the left. That leaves greater than, shaded to the right. Does it all make sense? Everybody alright? How about the circle, open or closed? Listen up real quick and then you'll know. The more in the symbol, the more in the circle. Let me explain, then you give it a whirl. If the symbol's also equal to, the dot is filled in. So a line with the symbol closed circle begins. When there's no line there, just greater or less. Leave the circle open, don't forget for the test. We got all of these inequalities and they're asking us to graph them, solve them, do all of these problems, all of these inequalities. So we gotta know the rules and the process. Don't forget we got this. Sometimes you know you just gotta isolate the variable on one side, call it separate. It's just like solving an equation, but a little bit different on equation C. You got a couple more things to consider, a bit more difficult, but don't be bitter. I have got some information that I've gotta give. When you multiply or divide by a negative, flip that inequality symbol. That's just it, don't sweat it, simple. All of those steps that you normally do, feed all the fish, what they call distribute, combine the like terms on each side, then get the like terms together on the left and the right. Finally you multiply or sometimes you divide, and if it's by a negative you gotta put the sign. We got all of these inequalities and they're asking us to graph them, solve them, all of these problems, all of these inequalities. So we gotta know the rules and the process. Don't worry, we got this. Woo! I've been trying to explain all the rules at a pace that can be easy to follow because math is not a race. But now you got the info, so let's see if it makes sense. Let's speed it up and solve an example that is intense. Negative 5 times the quantity, x plus 3 is less than negative 10. Solve the inequality just like you solve an equation. Distribute the negative 5, so both the x and the 3. So the left side now is negative 5x plus a 15, but the right is still 10. So let's begin. Try to isolate the x by n plus 15 from the right side and from the left. Finally divide negative 5 from both sides. Flip the signs when the n x is greater than negative 1. Then it is done. All of these inequalities, and they're asking us to graph them, solve them, do all of these problems, all of these inequalities. So we gotta know the rules and the process. Don't worry, we got this.
Yeah.